Hi, my name is Robin. I contacted Vision Home Remodeling to fix up my backyard, my driveway, and my roof. I found Vision on Yelp, and I did interview a number of contractors, and I felt the most comfortable with Vision after doing some research. So originally the backyard was a giant dirt pit and it wasn't very livable, and I really wanted to be able to have a backyard that I could enjoy. When I first met with them on my consult, they actually had some ideas already. They were really able to show me pretty quickly about what this could potentially look like, and then we ran from there. So I was really impressed by how prepared they were. Ravid was great. He was really responsive, and he was here a lot of the days of construction, and even on the days that, he wasn't here, he was really easily accessible. The communication was really good. I would know ahead of time when when the workers would be here. So it wasn't invasive at all. The backyard has been a real game changer. Since I do work from home now and I spend so much time from home, it is really nice retreat for us to just come into the backyard, whether it be in the middle of the day or at the end with a glass of wine, just to be able to come out and enjoy the California weather. I would recommend Vision Home Modeling to other friends.